Hi, we're going to look at ordering these 6 numbers here using the bubble sort for this video. So what we've got here is 6 numbers. That's not one big number, that's actually 6 separate numbers. Okay, pass 1 is going to first compare these 2 numbers. Okay, and I'm going to swap them if necessary. You need to remember that you are actually going to have to log your comparisons and your swaps, so I'll do that there. These 2, because I'm putting them in ascending order, doesn't need to change. So what I'll do is I'll actually write all the full working out for the first step. 1 comparison, no swaps. Next time, I'm going to compare them. I'm actually going to swap these, so I've compared and I'm going to swap. So that gives me this. So you can see what's going to happen now, hopefully. You'll spot that this 6 is going to start bubbling to the top. So I'm going to swap these, so compare and swap. Again, I'm going to move on to the next one. So the 6 are swapped. So I'm going to compare them. I'm going to compare and I'm going to swap these because 6 is bigger than 4. So 5, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1. And my last comparison for this pass. And actually, you notice I have made 5 comparisons with these 6 numbers. Because 5, 3, 2, 4, 1, 6. So that's after my first pass. That is my list. And I made, well, I need another swap in that. So I made a total here of 5 comparisons and 4 swaps. That's because the 6 wasn't at the front. If it was at the front here, the 6, I'd have made full comparisons there. Now, for the rest of this, I'm actually just going to write down a list for pass 2. Note 6 is in the right place. Yeah? So everything up to here is in the right place. So, actually, which is nice, this one, is the 5 is the biggest number. So I'm going to swap these, compare these 2 and swap, then there'll be a 5 there, and it's going to keep swapping. So my list is going to drop down, except the 5 is going to go at the top. So now I know that these numbers here, these 2 are in the right place. What I did there is I've gone down, I've done 4 swaps, and I did 4 comparisons and 4 swaps. This time, before I even do anything, I know I'm going to have 3 comparisons. Because as I said with the bubble sort short, unless it does go down the number of comparisons. So, pass 3. Compare and swap them. I then have 3 here, and I'm going to compare it with the 4, and I'm not going to swap it. So I've done 2 comparisons, 1 swap. Finally, I then compare these 2, and I am going to swap them. So I made 3 comparisons there, and a total of 2 swaps. I now know that these numbers are in the right place. Next pass, pass number 4. Yes, I'm going to have 2 comparisons, but I'll just check them here. I'm going to do 2 and 3. Now, 3 is already bigger than 2, so I'm not going to swap them. However, I'm going to swap these 2 here. So I'm going to get 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I made 2 comparisons there, but I only swapped once. Now, these numbers are in the right place here. So I'm going to do my final comparison. I don't know these are in the right order. I would always need this comparison, unless one of these numbers here was 0. Okay? So if one of these numbers, one of the swaps is 0, that's a stopping condition for this algorithm. So final pass, number 5. I'm going to compare and these, and I'm going to swap them. And as if by magic, my list goes in order. And I'm going to add up quickly the total. So 5, add 4, 9, 12, 15. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 swaps as a total. And obviously this is going to get in the right order. A couple of questions is why did this take the maximum number of comparisons? So that's the maximum number of comparisons. 5, add 4, add 3, add 2, add 1. And it's this. This caused the problem here. It's because the 1 was already at the end. And that's the smallest number. All the other numbers had to bubble through and go past it each time. Okay, if you pause this video, I'm going to put another question to have a go at, and then I'll let you have a go at. This question here is one to have a go at. Now this time, put these in descending order. So it's going to be a bit hard, so put it in descending order. So that means your final list is going to look this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So use the bubble sort to put them. If you pause the video now, the answer will come up in about 3 seconds. Okay, here's the answer to that last question. In blue is the pass resulting. I've shown the first working out for the first one. Got my comparisons and swaps giving me a total of 10 and 5.